Hello everyone, it's time again for the Weekly Tech Minute. Let's get started. According to Ingrid London of TechCrunch, Uber confirms it is acquiring Postmates in an all-stock $2.65 billion deal. In its most recent quarterly earnings results, the Uber Eats business grew 52% and managed to somewhat offset a big decline in its ride-hailing revenues, albeit the company still experienced a $3 billion loss last quarter. Uber plans to merge some of the tech and delivery operations on the back end while keeping the Postmates app alive and kicking on the front end. I personally am thrilled to hear this news, having used both services frequently. Postmates constantly disappointed, and Uber Eats consistently exceeded my expectations. So if the Uber Eats process and operations can extend to Postmates, I might just have to re-download the app. Next, according to Elizabeth Koh of the Wall Street Journal, Samsung estimates a 22.7% rise in second quarter operating profit thanks to a boom in internet use fueled by remote working. The global increase in computing demand will help to offset the decrease in consumers' demand for the newest and most expensive smartphones. Analysts and industry experts expect semiconductor demands to continue into the second half of the year, as working from home, i.e. online, looks like it will remain the new working normal for the foreseeable future. Samsung chips are in high demand as they power everything from massive data centers to 5G base stations and computer processors. Finally, thanks to Mike Jordan of Hippopotamus for this story, TechSquare Ventures launches a new $75 million early-stage fund focused on investing in seed to Series A companies in the Southeast. In a quote from Blake Patton, managing partner and founder at TechSquare Ventures, he says the following: "Since launching TechSquare Ventures in 2014, we've had the privilege of partnering with over 50 high-growth startups led by visionary entrepreneurs. We are proud to call Atlanta home, and we're honored to have the support of the city's most innovative companies and innovation leaders as strategic LPs. So far, their portfolio of companies has produced 3 exits, created 1,400 jobs, more than 300 in Georgia alone, and raised more than $400 million in additional funding. Also notable is that women and people of color account for more than 20% of the firm's portfolio companies. We're thrilled to have firms like this right here in our city." That's all for this edition of the Weekly Tech Minute. Thank you all so much for watching. Please stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you next week.